Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to know the value of a certain stock. Now to know the value of a certain stock I use a totally different method. The method that I use I will be explaining this to you guys in this video. So most of the traders out there they use different they have their own methods, their own set of strategies and all of that stuff that they recognize the value of a certain stock. My strategies, my methods are different, so I will explain this to you guys in this video. So let's get started with the video. As you can see right here, I've just pulled up a random chart. Let me pick one in front of you guys. My method of investing, my method of picking a certain stock or choosing a certain stock, I've explained those to you guys in the previous videos, so do check those out. I will mention that somewhere in the I button right here somewhere, so do check that out. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me, and comment down below as your feedback is valuable for me. And and I will be explaining I've made content relating to the stock market and the forex market, explaining these are a guide to stock market and all of stock market and the forex market. You can use them both in both of the markets, so I'm making videos regarding that. Hope you guys enjoy my videos, and let's continue with the video. So you can see the chart has loaded. Now let's pull up the moving average and the parabolic SAR. Now you can see this is a 9-day moving average. I will make it a 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average. So now you can see, as the stock is trading above the 200-day moving average, I see no value in it because it is overvalued. So I'm not going to invest in this stock as it is overvalued and too expensive and also too risky. So I'm not going to invest in this type of stock. Now let's see where the moving average is heading. By this moving average I will determine the value of a certain stock. Now there is also a method that they say that the PE ratio, if the PE ratio is above 20, it is too expensive. It is below, if it is below 10, it is undervalued. If it is between 10 or 20, then it is moderate. So invest. Now right here it doesn't show any PE ratio. So so what it means that it does not show any PE ratio, so I'm not going to bother by this PE ratio, as I have my own method of recognizing the value of certain stocks. Now let me show you right here. As the stock reaches to these points, now why is it not? Now as you can see right here, at these areas, the stock is undervalued, so you should invest only when the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average. So by this 200-day moving average, you will have to determine the value of a certain stock. If it is trading like this, do not invest in it. Wait for the stock to give you an indication that whether if this is an uptrend or a downtrend. Now in this case, this was an uptrend. It showed some indication that this was going upward. You can see it came back down, crossed the moving average below, again up, again down, and then it moved on, continued further its bullish continued its bullish momentum. So you can see stocks like these, you should opt for stocks like these, not for stocks like these that are overvalued and that are far too risky. Now this is trading above the 200-day moving average, far above, so this is way too risky. Do not invest in stocks like these. Now let me load a stock from right here. FYBL. This is a stock in which I've invested for quite a while now, and I'm seeing some, and I want to see some results out of it. Now you can see this is trading on the 200-day moving average. I invested in this stock right here at this area. Now this came back down below the 200-day moving, and again up, again down. Now it is trading right over here in these areas. There was a strong resistance at these points, due to which the stock didn't continue its bullish move, and it stayed below the 200-day moving average. Now let's see what happens next when the stock is trading. Right now the stock has seen a bearish move. Now let's see what happens next when the stock is trading. The stock continues its trading upward. So now it is trading on the 200-day moving average. I will wait for it and see what happens next. If the stock is gives me some value, shows some value in it, I'm going to stay to it. Or if I recover my losses, then I'm going to sell the stock and buy another stock, invest into another stock. Now let's pick another stock. Let me pick SMBL. Let me pick this one. SMBL, Summit Bank Limited. Now you can see right here, again this is overvalued. To determine the value of a certain stock, I use this method. Maybe all of the traders have their own methods, but I use this method to determine the value of a certain stock. Now this is overvalued. I'm not going to invest. A bit undervalued, but it is above the two, as it is above the 200-day moving average. It is overvalued, and do not invest in this type of stock. And let me show you another stock. Let's see ANZ and Amazon. Amazon.com. Let's see this one. This is also trading above the 200-day moving average. Do not invest in this stock. Let's see another stock. I'm just showing to you guys how you can determine the value by using the 200-day moving average. The same results. It is trading above, so avoid this stock. So now it is showing some type of it is trading on the 200-day moving average. So so wait for it and see what results it will give you. As it is, there is a resistance level, sorry, there is a support level right here. So wait for a while, wait for a few days and see what results it will give you when the stock hits back hits back the road, and see what results will it give you when you invest from a point of right here. Or if the stock tries to go upward, then invest in it, and as it will further continue its upward motion. So do not invest when the stock is hits this level. Wait for a while, and if it continues its momentum in upward direction, then invest in it. So this is the methods that I use to recognize the value of a certain stock. Now I will also mention I will also mention a video sorry, the previous videos of mine right here at these areas in the I button. So do check those out, as I've explained these to you guys in the previous videos as well. So, and that's it for this video, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.